Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring Docker is running and selecting a clear name for the volume so you can reference it later. Once done, run the command to create the volume. Docker volume create my data vol. This allocates managed storage outside containers. You do this to persist data beyond container lifecycles. Make sure to choose a meaningful name and avoid using host paths yet. Using a named volume gives Docker control over location and lifecycle, simplifying backups and container replacement. Now attach the volume to a container so it stores real data. You can run docker run dname appvmydata_vol/data image. Alternatively, declare volumes in Docker Compose. IML under services to keep config declarative. Inspect the volume with Docker volume, inspect my data vol to see mount point and driver details. This helps when debugging where files actually live. If you need a host bind, prefer it for config files, but understand named volumes are portable and manage complete by validating persistence. Stop and remove the container, then start a new one mounting the same volume. Your data should persist. For backup and restore, use a temporary container to tar the volume to host storage. Make sure file ownership and permissions match the container's runtime user. Mismatches are the most common issue. If files seem missing, inspect Docker volume inspect and verify SC Linux or App Armor contexts on the host. Adjusting contexts or using Z flags often resolves permission-related access failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.